This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth on the TV and preparing the accessory. This is the first actionable step. Open Settings, go to Connections or Sound, and switch Bluetooth on so the TV scans. Make sure your headset or speaker is in pairing mode now. The visible blinking LED tells you it's discoverable. Once the device appears in the TV's list, stop any other phone or tablet from auto-connecting. This prevents conflicts and speeds pairing, so you can select the right name immediately. Once the accessory shows in the TV's list, you select it and authorize pairing. You do this because the TV needs a trusted connection to stream audio. If the TV asks for a PIN, try common codes like 0000 or 1234. Some devices include a PIN in their manual. After pairing, change the TV audio output to Bluetooth and test a short clip. This confirms both connection and expected latency. Also check any audio delay or codec options and firmware updates if sound seems out of sync. You finish by playing varied content and confirming sound quality and lip sync. If the audio lags, use the TV's audio delay or game mode to correct it. Make Bluetooth the default output so future connections are automatic, and label the device in the TV if that option exists. If you move the accessory, repair quickly. If things go wrong, restart both units and remove outdated pairings. This simple reset often resolves interference, and updating firmware on both the TV and accessory fixes persistent compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.